How to share Canva design in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can quickly share your Canva design to WhatsApp. But before we do that, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your web browser and search for canva.com, or if you have the application installed on your phone, you could do that as well. And once you've done that, you can just simply go ahead and open up your Canva designs. Click on any design that you want to share. So here are some of my recent designs. So let me just choose a random one. I'm just going to tap on this one right here, and it will open up the design right here. And once you're done editing with the design and you want to share it, what you need to do now is tap right here on the share option. On the top right, you'll find this share option. Then you're going to have to click on share link, or you can just copy the link. And once you tap on this share link option, you'll have an option to copy the link, and on the axis you can click on anyone with the link and they'll be able to access it, and you can edit their control as well if they can view only, edit, or can comment only. I'm just going to do view only and then copy the link. Then you're going to just have to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. On your WhatsApp chat, you can paste it wherever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this file right here, and on this chat I'm going to paste it. So whoever taps on this link, they'll be able to view my design. That's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.